improved custom tool creation and editing. Welcome to this tutorial on creating and editing custom tool palettes. In this video, we'll show you how to optimize your workflow by efficiently organizing your tools, creating new palettes, and tailoring their layout to suit your needs. Let's dive in. Go to the Tools menu at the top of the screen. From there, select Custom Tools, then choose New Palette. This will open the Custom Tools dialog box, where you can configure settings for your new palette. In the Custom Tools dialog box, you'll find options for name, columns, rows, and icon size. Start by naming your new palette. For this example, we'll call it Test. Next, set the number of columns and rows to match your organization preferences. You can create larger arrays such as 3x20 or 10x10 for better structure. In this demonstration, we'll set the columns to 5 and the rows to 7. Click OK to create the palette. Now that your palette is created, you can begin adding tools to it. To edit an existing tool, right-click on its icon within the palette and select Edit Custom Tool. The Custom Tools dialog box will reopen, allowing you to modify key properties such as name, icon, and size. Make the necessary adjustments and click OK to save your changes. Now, drag and drop the desired tool from an existing palette into your new custom palette. You can also adjust icon sizes to improve visibility and accessibility. Right-click on a tool and select Change Icon Size to resize it to your preference. This feature helps maintain a clean, organized workspace tailored to your needs. That's it. You've successfully created and customized a new tool palette. The ability to organize tools into structured arrays and make precise customization ensures a more efficient and intuitive workflow. Whether you're working on architectural designs, mechanical models, or any other projects, these features help you focus on creativity and productivity without worrying about tool management. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy designing!